What up, cuties? I'm back again. Today I am going to do a candy review on how the candy is gonna be or taste, in my opinion. I want to show you these new Skittles. If you see that they're open, that's gonna be for another. That's gonna be for another video. That's my brother that's gonna be in. This is another one. The new M&M ones, the strawberry bite ones. And then the double chocolate Oreo. Gonna save this one for last. You know you gotta save Oreo for last. You like the ASMR? They be like, I had to do that one time. Alright, I'm gonna bring out the Skittles. I'm gonna try the Skittles. If you guys wonder where I am in my room. Okay, I'm going to try these. It tastes good. It tastes like the normal Skittles. But I'm going to try these other ones. Hold on, I can't get y'all good. I'm going to try this. I'm going to try this one first. That's good. I tried the cherry looking one like this. That one tastes like Starburst. Now I'm gonna try this one. Tastes like a green apple lollipop. Now I'm gonna try that orange one. That one just tastes like an orange. That's good, guys. The thing that's back there, that's my tourist. Now I'm going to try. I'm making them go all everywhere. The strawberry looking ones. I'm gonna bite it, then I'm gonna show you guys. Oh, no different than what you think. Not that bad. Now my dip does. This is like no more M&Ms to me. Oh, I got them upside down. This it's just a normal one in my opinion. Now for this. Now I'm going to open it carefully. Look at that. Look at how cool that is. You see? Cool, right? I want to snap a piece off. Look at that. That's cool, right? It tastes a little bit like white chocolate, but gives off a chocolate name to it. Bite it. You see that to you? Chocolate. The more you eat it, the more it tastes like white chocolate. And it tastes crunchy. I don't know what to call it at this point. This is chocolate cookie. I think this is the Oreo. So for the candy, I give it 100. I like all of them. To be honest, I'm not a white chocolate person because I think it's too rich in my opinion. I feel like if I eat too much sugar, I start to get sick or lightheaded. Like I can eat one pack of like one of these. But if I eat like more than a bar like this, I'm gonna feel sick. But I can give it to you. My most favorite between the Skittles and the M&Ms. I feel like it's gonna be the M&Ms. But I'm gonna give it to Skittles. Skittles is one of my old favorites. For the Skittles though, it gives off a sweet taste, but then further on, that actually, like I said, sweet then sour. It gives you a sweet taste. Oh, I didn't chew that one. Can't lie, they're pretty hard. But they're not that bad. Pretty good. Comment down below which one you like the most or which one you have tried. Comment down below what is your favorite one. And don't forget to share, I messed up there, cuties. Ooh. I hope that don't go in the book of mess ups, right? Okay. Alright. See you, cuties. Like, share, and subscribe with everyone and anyone that you know. I hope y'all have a good day. Have a good time. I hope you enjoy hanging out with me. You may see another one with my brother or another one with my mom and my dad, which is Lee Productions. Am I being that side or that side in the description bar thing? I might be on one of them sides. But more likely it's gonna be right there. But besides that, make sure you share, like, and subscribe with anyone and everybody you know. See you, cuties. Hold on. Don't forget to like. We're gonna bring that heat though. And comment down below. Do you think I should show you guys my art? And comment down below and send some picture to Curated Trades and Lee Productions if you want. Would love to see them, especially me, cause I'm an anime person. So subscribe. See you, cuties. Oh, shoot, I forgot to do a thumbnail.